Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. As you can hear, I sound a little bit sick, and you also might be wondering why is she wearing a winter scarf up to her chin. It is so cold here in Massachusetts. Today it was higher than it has been the beginning of the week. It's been about 10 degrees, but with wind chill it was like way below that today, like -6 or something like that. Just 2 days ago it was -6 overall. So we've been really cold here, and in our new house we have a pellet stove, so it's really warm in the center of the house, but my room is above the garage, so it's kind of cold, and I have to shut the door when I'm filming for sound purposes, so I'm a little bit chilly. But I wasn't gonna do my makeup, I wasn't gonna film a video, but I don't know, something was like, I really want to, and I want to use this nice warm palette because it's so cold. So this is the Tarte Tartelette Toasted Palette, and honestly my skin is not been loving itself right now. I don't know if it's because of like I've kind of been bad with my eating. I've been eating more sugar, so it's like coming out in blemishes, or if it's just so cold. I don't know what it is, but let's get into the video. So I have used Tarte shadows before and I do love them and have I've never had a problem. My first all matte palette was the Tartiste Pro something, the matte one with like 4 shimmer shades in it. So I'm expecting to just love the formula because it's the same Amazonian clay situation. So I'm just going in with the first color in the top left in S'more, and I'm setting today I used Painterly by MAC to set my eyeballs. So I'm just using a big fluffy brush, and I'm kind of just like spreading that all over and into the crease. These are so gorgeous, these colors. Oh, I don't even know what I want to do. So let's go in with Cashmere, which is this one right here, and let's also put that in the crease. Oh, I love this. I used this in my other video, the Maybelline Total Temptation palette. I used it as like to lay down like shades because I didn't really have like lighter matte colors. By the way, I ended up I'm going to return it. Normally I wouldn't do that, but it was so powdery, and I don't want to keep something that I'm not going to use. So I'm going to put some of that on my lower lash line. So that's better, that's closer. So I have, I put S'more down first, and then Cashmere in the crease, and then underneath the eye. Mom, I'm filming. What's up?
Is it cold in here?
A little bit. I love that color. I love that cashmere color. I just can't get over it. Okay, so there's 2 routes I could take. I could do like these colors here. This brown has like gold sparkles in it, and then this is a beautiful color. It's called Sunset. I'm going to swatch it on my hand for you. And then the color underneath it is Flame, which is like kind of a rosy gold color. And then the color beneath that is called Shimmer. And then there's another shimmer in the palette. It's called Candle. Oh, that's a super cute name. Okay. So those are the colors. So from top to bottom of my hand is Sunset, Flame, Shimmer, and then Candle. think I'm gonna go in with another crease color first. I was just gonna leave it as is, but I'm gonna go in with Warmth here, and I'm gonna concentrate that like not as high up. So kind of like from here down. Okay, so I've added that deeper color, which looks more rich in person than it does with the light. I mean, it still looks beautiful with the light, but love it. Ooh, looks so good. Okay, and then I'm gonna go in with the top shade, Sunset. Sorry, my powder brush is down there. As you can see, the shimmery shadows have a bit of fallout, and I don't think I got it in time. This area looks a little shimmery. I don't think it's the shadow itself, but then other eye, I'm gonna do some spray. Like that. Put that on the lid. I'm actually gonna put Candle, which is the shade right here, the bottom one. I'm gonna put that in my, actually I changed my mind. I'm gonna put Sunrise in my inner corner, which is right here. I don't know if you can hear that, but that's the truck backing up the driveway. My dad's going to get Chinese food. Something about a super bright like inner corner highlight just is like, oh, beautiful. And it's not too bright. I love that it kind of like just goes with the, you know, the colors. I think cozy is too like rosy. I don't know if it's the right word, but it kind of goes with the color Flame, the rose gold color. I'm tempted to put a little bit of brown in the outer corners, but I do love how it looks just as is, so but let's do it. So that's the shade Crackle. That's the brown with the shimmers in it. Ooh. Then I'm going to take a little brush and put that right on the very upper lash line, kind of like liner. Ooh, I love it. I love what that brown did. It just gave it a little like smoky, like, I'm gonna give you my thoughts while I put on some bronzer. I really want to do like a kind of an updated, like a go-to like supernatural look without any foundation. I think I posted a photo on my Instagram with that. Honestly, like, I don't know if it's the time of year, like how cold it's been or what, but or a combination of like not wearing heavy makeup to work, but I've definitely been doing the no foundation. I do like a light concealer, brows, this bronzer, the Sweetie Pie bronzer, and highlighter. And I've gotten so many compliments. My mom loves it. Well, of course she loves more natural makeup on me anyway, but yeah, so just some people from my congregation that I go to have really, really loved it, and they're people that I'm really close with, so it's something that makes me happy. But also it's like I love like doing like stuff like this and like doing fun makeup too, so it's kind of like I love when I get compliments on my more natural makeup. But anyway, so it just gives like a nice natural flush. And I do have kind of remnants of mascara from earlier, but I'll just put a little bit more on. Okay. I just have some butter glass. Honestly, it's too cold to wear matte lipstick. So too cold. Okay. So I forgot to give you my thoughts on the palette while I was putting on the rest of my face makeup. But going in when this palette came out, I was kind of like, do I need another palette? Because I had the Tarte Pro palette. I was like, oh, that's, you know, it basically has a bunch of matte shadows too, but they're kind of the same tones. But I'm glad I splurged and got this during the Sephora VIB sale and I could get money off. Yeah, I totally think it's worth it. I totally think that you'd love it if you love these tones, and I absolutely love this, and I can't wait to like wear it out when I like do something fun. But yeah, I'm getting a vacation in 2 weeks, so I'm gonna have Paige come over. We're gonna have some adventures, so that's gonna be fun. Hopefully we'll get to do a little vlogging. You guys will get to come along with us. But do I recommend this? Absolutely. I think this is honestly kind of a good starter palette. It has your very neutral colors. It has like good sparkly colors. It has that inner corner color, and it has like your crease colors that you need. It has your lighter color, your kind of medium, and then that brown, even though it has like sparkles in it. Sorry, I was like looking, if you could see it in the eye. I think it's great. Who doesn't want more sparkles, right? Yeah, so I'm sitting here wondering if I should just do a best of 2017, but that is something that I should decide when I'm not filming. Okay, guys, thank you so much for watching. And again, recommend this palette definitely. So, yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.